Welcome to our comparison of two innovative portable washing machines designed for convenience and efficiency. Today, we will look at the FADSK portable washing machine and the Yelltimer portable washing machine. Both machines are perfect for small spaces, such as apartments, dorms, and RVs. Let's dive into their features and see how they stack up against each other. The FADSK portable washing machine offers a capacity of 15 liters, which is suitable for small loads of laundry. In contrast, the Yelltimer portable washing machine has a slightly larger capacity of 16 liters, allowing for more clothes to be washed at once. This difference may be crucial for users who need to wash more items in a single cycle. When it comes to control mechanisms, the FADSK Mikej model utilizes a push-button control system, which is straightforward and easy to use. On the other hand, the Yelltimer model features touch controls, providing a modern and sleek interface for users. This difference in control types may appeal to different preferences among users. One of the key differences between these two machines is the additional features they offer. The FADSK portable washing machine does not include a spin dry function, which may require users to manually wring out clothes after washing. In contrast, the Yelltimer portable washing machine comes with a spin dry cycle, making it more convenient for users who want to reduce drying time. In conclusion, both the FADSK Mikej and Yelltimer portable washing machines offer unique features that cater to different needs. The FADSK Mikej model is compact and easy to store, while the Yelltimer model provides additional functionality with its spin-dry cycle. Depending on your laundry requirements, either machine could be a great addition to your home. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.